logical answer to the question, where do you start, is at the beginning. But it's not quite that straightforward with DevOps, so we'll take the time to answer this question in more depth. Let's start with the 8 things you should do. First, start with a value stream. We'll go into value stream later in this module, so keep this in mind. Next, consider both systems of record and engagement. Third, start identifying innovators and early adopters. You might find that these fit into the Bates and stakeholder map you did in Module 2. Fourth, gain an understanding of the value stream flow. After that, dedicate people to particular teams. Does this sound familiar from Spotify? Sixth, agree shared goals. Next, keep planning horizons short, that is, weeks, not months. Finally, use tools to reinforce desired behavior. Now that we've covered what you should do, let's look at the 6 things you shouldn't do. First, don't start with a reorganization. Don't start with an application. Third, don't assume you have to pursue a big bang transformation. Next, don't discount legacy or brownfield services. After that, don't ignore existing system dependencies. Finally, don't forget to assign time to tackle technical debt.